Hello there, today we are going to learn how to run graphic library inside Code Blocks. First we have to download a file that include graphic header file. Go to Google and type lbgi. Link is in the description box below. Click on the first link. Now click here to download zip file. It is very small file of 52 kilobytes only. Now extract this zip file. To be able to run graphics in Code Blocks, first we have to modify this graphic header file. Double-click to open it in Code Block. On line 302, change right variable to top as shown. That's it. Now copy these two files into include folder. And copy this file into lib directory. Now we are one step to go. Open Code Blocks. Go to Settings. Click on Compiler. On Linker Settings tabs, click on Add button. And add lbgi.a file from lib folder. On right pane, paste this line from description box below. Yeah, that's it. For any queries, comment down below. And don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.